Being the top 1% is this symbol of wealth and power. And it was coined by the Occupy Wall Street movement that happened almost a decade ago. Since then, this exclusive 1% has become only richer and richer and more powerful, more elusive. But most don't even know what it takes to get in there. Well, the numbers vary from country to country, so depending on the country you are, it could be anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000 US dollars a year. In the US, it's closer to $500,000 a year. And if you want to look at it at an average global scale, you need to earn around $744,000 a year to be part of the 1% globally. And yes, while that number seems impossible, coming from a dude that, yes, I've struggled from the bottom all the way to the top, I know exactly what it takes, and capitalism seems to give you the option to be able to get there. Now, the interesting part is that if you want to also join the 1%, you can study the 1%, see their daily habits, see how they work, and then apply those to your life. See, our life is just a sum of habits that we do during the day. They can either make or break you. And I want your habits to make you into a 1%er. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the 5 habits that everybody in the 1% does that you should do as well. Let's go. Number 1, I need you to read more. I know you probably hate this, but you see, at the end of the day, the 1%, they don't hate it, and they're doing it. See, you probably see reading as this annoying schoolwork that you don't want to get done. The 1%, they see reading as a mentor, as an opportunity, as a scope through somebody else's lens or somebody else's life that will show you new experiences, new creativity, spark new ideas that will help you get into the 1%. I'm going to give you some of my favorite books. If you don't even know where to start, these are 3 books that I recommend to everybody. I've recommended them before. I need you to read How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book, this is crucial to learn how to deal with other people, how to get what you want out of life. Another one that's amazing, Never Split the Difference. This book will teach you how to negotiate like a boss. And number 3, Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. This will just callous your mind. This is just going to show you how you in yourself have much more potential than you think you have. Those 3 books are not only interesting, they're going to open the scope of possibilities in your head. Number 2, focus on small improvement. There's this concept that says something along the lines of, you cannot eat an elephant all at once. You have to break it down into pieces. Henry Ford was of this same train of thought. He said, nothing is particularly hard when you break it down into pieces. So when you're working on yourself, don't just think about the large goal that might be hard. And it could, for example, your goal could be to lose 100 pounds or put on muscle or talk to a girl or scale a business. So whatever your goal is, don't think about the end result, which is going to be difficult. I need you to break it down all the way to the bottom and focus on the small improvements. For example, let's say your goal is to lose 100 pounds. Okay, you're not going to lose them overnight. Your first small improvement is today. You're going to sign up for the gym. Sounds simple enough, but that one small improvement is going to get you 1 inch closer to your goal. Number 3, start your day with something hard. Mark Twain once said, eat a frog first thing in the morning and nothing worse is going to happen to you the rest of the day. In other words, start your day with a difficult task. The rest of your day is going to feel like a breeze. It's just going to feel easy. And now this positive outlook is going to give you a significant boost in your cognitive abilities, helping you problem solve throughout the day. So I want you to start your day, for example, with a freezing cold shower that you don't want to do, or with the most difficult task on your plate. Then the rest of the day, you're going to have that optimistic mindset the 1% has. Number 4, have a morning routine. It just gives you a sense of control. You see, every single successful person, anyone you want to look into, I guarantee you they have a morning routine. You see, when you have a routine, you get rid of uncertainty, which helps reduce stress levels and gives you an improved mental state. So when you get a million problems going on, all your projects are failing, at least you know you got control of how you start your morning. And finally, number 5, I need you to write everything down. Life is a legit journey. I need you to write down your goals, your aspirations, your dreams, whatever you want the most, write it down. But also write down your failures, your setbacks, the days that you feel down. See, over time, what this is going to do, it's going to help you build confidence in your abilities and carve out a specific path as to where you want to go because you're writing and jotting everything down. The reason why the masses stay in the 99% is because they don't have a goal. They don't have a clear path. The reality is that all of us are more than capable to be part of the 1%. We are smart enough to be part of the 1%. The biggest difference is that the 1% carves a clear path, has a clear goal. The 99% doesn't. Their thoughts, their goals, their aspirations, they're all over the place. Writing them down helps bring them all into one singular spot to give you that clear vision. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 things that people in the 1% do that you should as well. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video to help one of your fellow bros out as well. And, well, it helps me out as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.